Hi, my name is Amanda Rocha. I am an estate planning and probate attorney in California, and today we are going to talk about collections and collectibles. Before I get into that, I want to give you my contact information. You can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. The reason I'm going to get into this with you today is because I actually have a client who collects classic cars, and that's a multifaceted issue, to be honest with you, but it got me to talking with him about other possible collections. And if you're a collector or you know one, you know that it's almost like getting a tattoo. Once you have one, you want multiple. So once you have one set of collections, a collection, you want to have a lot of collections, and oftentimes that happens, and it's wonderful and it brings people joy. So whether you have a stamp collection or you too collect classic cars, this video and podcast is for you. So first and foremost, if you have any kind of collector's items, you already know that the value of those items is important. And perhaps you've just started collecting and you don't actually know the value of what you have when you lucked into it, or you inherited a collection, let's say. It's very important that you have these things appraised by the people who know what they're doing. Not just any old appraiser will work. You need to work with people who specialize in collections, antiques, or whatever it is that you have, and get the documentation that you need up front before you create an estate plan. In your estate plan, because these are worth money and they're valuable, it's going to count toward your probate total. Unlike a microwave or a toaster or something that is going to be negligible in price, this is going to be something that could either push you over the probate line or not. And so you'll want to make sure that with a collection, you're most likely, if it's valuable, going to need a trust. This will ensure that your collection goes to the person that you want it to go to without it going through probate, that your collection isn't going to have to be liquidized in order to pay your debts, and that basically if you become incapacitated, it's still taken care of and not going to just sit around until probate is finished, and that could be up to 18 months or even longer with everything going on in the world right now. So have it appraised, keep the appraisal paperwork with your estate plan. If you aren't sure what kind of estate plan you're going to need because of this, contact me. We'll talk about it. We can discuss your specific issues, but just know that having something collectible isn't apparent to everyone. So something that could be a gold mine in your eyes, something that's basically irreplaceable, could just be a chair to someone else. So if you have antiques and you have anything that is of value, get it valued, keep the documents with other things. Maybe put a post-it if it's something like a painting on the back explaining what it is, a copy of the appraisal, so that if something were to happen to you, someone doesn't take the painting off the wall and donate it to Goodwill, as opposed to knowing that this is something important to you and in your will. So if you have any questions, please contact me. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do so. You can contact me through my website, www.amandarocalaw.com, or you can find me on social media and send me a message that way at Amanda Rocha Law. Thank you.